Hello, December. So it's already December, and in fact, December is also going to end very soon, and soon we will all be in 2025. This is my last video of the year, and so I want this video to feel like a warm hug. There is no pretense, there is no drama. It's going to be a simple vlog where I share how my December went. So that's why I have named this vlog as December Diaries. मैं बहुत दिन से इस कलर पेंसिल्स को अनबॉक्स करने की कोशिश कर रही थी, सोच रही थी एक एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियो बनाऊंगी, बट एक्चुअली दिस फेल्ट जस्ट द राइट वीडियो टू डू दिस बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बीच थोड़े थोड़े समय के लिए आई जस्ट गिव माई सेल्फ अ ब्रेक and there is nothing better to indulge into little art therapy. And I hope people who actually do a lot of painting or art of any sort will relate to it, that when I sit down and do my art, actually all my thoughts come together. I become more peaceful, more calmer, and hence I'm sharing a moment with this unboxing. Also, these Prisma colors have been on my list from a really long time, and Amit finally got these colors for me from US. I remember sharing it on my US haul about these colors, and it's been so long. I've been saving it for just the right time. Today is the day, and I can't wait. I just can't wait to color with these color pencils, and I'm very excited. तो ये जो मेरा आर्ट सेटअप है, ये विंडो के एकदम सामने है, और सर्दियों की धूप में बैठ के कुछ भी आर्ट करना, whether it's watercolors or color pencils today, it feels very nice. It feels almost like very therapeutic. And December, I don't know why December is so important, but actually it is. And I think it is important because ये साल का last month है. And not only we get to celebrate December because of so many things, because of Christmas and New Year, but we also celebrate December in terms of हमने पूरे साल क्या किया. तो हमारे सारे जो एक नॉस्टैल्जिक मोमेंट होता है ना, वो दिसंबर से काफ़ी अटैच होता है कि हमने पूरे साल क्या किया. एवरीथिंग कम्स टू एन एंड एंड वी एक्चुअली रिफ्लेक्ट कि how was the year which passed, how did it go, and also we kind of make plans for our new year. तो उस नज़र से December is a very important month. Now, as you can see, the color pencils look great, and I'm extremely happy with the way they are performing. So basically what I really want to say is, every year we get a new chance, we get a new start to start the next year afresh. और ये बहुत important है, and that's why December is very important. और बात करते करते शाम हो गई, कलरिंग करते करते शाम हो गई, पता भी नहीं चला. Time to do my evening stuff. Okay, so this is the bottle, and this is my first attempt to make a rum cake. So what I'm going to do is put all the dry fruits. So I just chopped these two kind of raisins. One normal golden raisins. I'm going to just put it in this jar. Like so. And then I'm going to put these the big black raisins. Okay, like so. Then I'm gonna put some dried blueberries. They look so similar, but yeah. And then I'm gonna put some dried cranberries. Okay. Okay. And then last but not the least, some tutti frutti. So here it is. I've put everything. I'm not going to add almonds and cashews at this stage. This is, like raisins and stuff, so I'm going to keep that cashews and walnuts later. And now the star of the show. I'm adding a little bit of rum to this. So as you can see, I've added like a very small amount of rum because I want to this is some orange zest for flavor, freshly done orange zest. And then I will add fresh orange juice to everything. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Cap this, shake this well, and ये पूरा होना चाहिए. The whole thing should be dried till the top. So I'll get some more orange juice and I'll soak everything right to the top, so that it's fully immersed in the liquid. This is how I'm going to keep it for maybe a couple of days. Hi. Is there any? Hi, good morning. So yeah, we are just back from Delhi actually. And aate hi within a week, there is this whole air about Christmas, and of course the December is about Christmas. So like I said, this is my very first attempt in fact, for plum cake. Now plum cake is actually, why it's called a plum cake is because उसमें बहुत सारे fruits होते हैं, बहुत सारे nuts होते हैं. It's filled with dry fruits and nuts and dried like raisins and cranberries and blueberries and whatnot. So उसे plum cake कहते हैं. Plum cake can be made with lot of varieties actually. You can make it with rum. The most famous is the rum plum cake and the orange plum cake, which is made out of orange juice. मैंने दोनों को mix करके कोशिश करी है इस बार केक बनाने की. And let's see how do we do. तो अभी morning है. Please don't judge my look. I am so tired. Kids have gone to school and I have started the work on the cake also. So yeah, keep watching. तो यहाँ पे the oven. So here the oven is getting like preheated for the whole baking process. It's getting ready, and then here I'm going to start making the cake. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले मैंने ज़ीरो कर लिया है मीटर, and now I just have to take around 100 gram of butter at room temperature. So here it goes. 47. I will try to be as precise as I can. Let's see. I'm not a baker. I'm not a professional baker. Okay. So मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ले लिया. Okay. थोड़ा सा कम करेंगे. Perfect. So I've taken around 105 grams of butter here. So I will add one egg at a time, which means I will add three eggs at three different times, and each time I add an egg, I just give it a quick beat. तो मैंने बेकिंग भी अभी काफ़ी रिसेंटली सीखी है एंड by what I've learned, I can say that even baking is an art, and like all other art, even this is a therapy. I enjoy baking, especially when I make something nice for different occasions. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है and I love baking cookies and cakes for my kids. So I have mixed all the wet ingredients and I have kept it aside. And now I'm mixing all the dry ingredients. Later on, I will mix the wet and the dry ingredients together. बहुत सारी recipes पढ़ी मैंने. I went through a lot of recipes and read a lot, saw a lot. Finally, I took the best out of each, and this is my own recipe what I have created. थोड़ा सा tweak किया है मैंने यहाँ और वहाँ so that I can make a rum cake which is kids friendly. So I've used more orange juice and very minimum rum, बस उसके essence के लिए, एक hint के लिए. I hope you try this cake at home and you like it because I loved it. I have these two pans ready now. One is this, मैंने इसको बटर पेपर लगा के रेडी कर लिया है, ठीक है. Another one is this, अगर कुछ बचा so I'll keep it in this. मैंने इसको अच्छे से बटर से लाइन कर लिया है. Dun-dun. Okay. Now the moment of truth. So this is how the cake looks. It is looking divine. And अगर आप थोड़ा सा पास से देखोगे ना, so it's got these nice cracks, which means it's baked very nicely. थोड़ा सा extra matter हो गया था, तो मैंने ये छोटू केक भी बेक मतलब एक ये छोटू सर्कल में भी डाल दिया था मैटर, तो ये भी बहुत अच्छे से बेक हो गया है. I can't wait to slice this up और फिर मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी how is it turned out. बट उससे पहले आई जस्ट वेट फॉर सम टाइम सो दैट ये थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो जाए, देन इट विल बी मच बेटर, बट लुक्स गुड. I think I'm very, very happy.
मिलके अपने वुडन टूल से खेलने लगते हैं। मुझे याद आया बंटी को
And so this is us on the terrace with our coffee on a December evening with lots of wind, breeze, and just meaningless conversations. And this is what my December is all about. Like I said, December feels like a warm hug. This is the decoration I had going on for Christmas. लिविंग रूम में एक छोटा सा ट्री सजाया था and I love making this Christmas village decoration for my kids. They enjoy it a lot. And this is how the December feels at home. It's warm, it's cozy, and it's perfect with my family. आपका दिसंबर कैसा जा रहा है? And do let me know आपको इस वीडियो में क्या अच्छा लगा. I'll see you soon, but in a new year. Bye.